Most homeowners really only go through window selections once in their life. They're either A, building a home, or B, replacing their windows in a home that already existed. And there's a lot that goes into a window that most homeowners don't expect right out of the gate. There's design, there's efficiency, there's product type. And we're here at Pella, we're here to educate the homeowner on choosing those selections and why they are so critical. Now, windows, I like to call them an ingredient brand. And the meaning behind that is that if the wrong window is selected for that entire house, it could be devastating. It's an area of air infiltration, water infiltration. It's an entire opening of glass in your home. And we're there to show you how our windows can be extremely energy efficient and give you that beauty of that view to the outside that you've created for yourself. Most people, when they think new windows, they're thinking of replacing some old metal type of window, some aluminum type of window that they might have seen back in an apartment building when they were younger, and thinking of a window that's hard to open, hard to operate. A lot of air is coming through, especially in the wintertime. Today, our windows here at Pella, we design them to be extremely energy efficient. There's a lot of testing, and when I say a lot, hundreds of thousands of hours go into testing our product. We actually have an entire innovation and testing lab back in Pella, Iowa, which is our headquarters, where we actually incubate our windows and bring our windows up to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit and then drop them down to below zero to show the efficiencies and how they won't actually break during the test of time through extreme heat, especially heat conditions that you're going to see in the Midwest here. We always get those huge heat spells in the summer and those frigid temperatures in the winter. A lot of homes today are constructed with a lot of openings because natural light is wildly popular, especially with open floor plan homes and new construction. It's very important and it's critical to have the right window product in there with the right type of glass in there, because essentially you have a hole in the side of your house that has zero insulation and zero framework in there. Our windows are filled with an option of having low E argon filled gas in there, as well as different other glass package options that can give you a very premium experience when it comes to any type of heat and cold distribution from the outdoor elements. I think something most homeowners might be able to recognize in their home of UV rays penetrating through their existing windows now is take a look at where your area rugs are at on your wood floors. Pull those back and you should see a color change within your wood. Now what that is over time UV rays penetrating through the glass and actually changing the color of your wood. An option that we have from Pella Windows and Doors is sun defense glass. Now a lot of that is used in some of our southern climates like Florida, for example, where the UV rays are extreme. And this will actually block a majority of the UV rays, so you're not going to have any fainted furniture like couches, carpeting, so on and so forth, to really help with that as you age within your home. So on some of these units here, you can see you have an SDL pattern. SDL is a simulated divided light. Back in the day on older windows from the 40s and 50s, you used to see this type of pattern, and where on the exterior of the window you actually have the grill, and what that's going to do is that when light goes through that, it's going to cast that different type of pattern of light within your home. So hence the name simulated divided light. Simulated divided light is a style that is more found in a traditional type of home. A lot of homes that we see here in the Midwest. It's an option there, but we also have several different styles of this type of grill pattern, which really are endless. You can have no grills, you can have a traditional pattern like this, this is a 4-light pattern on the top sash. You can have it all the way through onto the bottom sash as well, where this pattern would continue. You can have a prairie style pattern, which is what you can see over on this window here, where there's actually 9 lights within that. Now this grill over on this side is called a grill between the glass. It's a very similar style where you're going to get the same look from a distance, but up close the grills are actually between the glass instead of on the exterior and on the interior of the glass. We have many different styles of windows, from double hungs to casements to awning types of windows, and one might say, I really didn't know that there was a series of styles of windows. And choosing one is all about personal preference and how you want to use and operate that type of window. For example, your kitchen window, directly above that kitchen sink. It's a window that gets a lot of use. You open it to clear a lot of the smells out from cooking in the kitchen, especially around the holidays. Depending on how you like to use that window, the functionality of that is going to kind of guide you into what type of unit you'd like to have. A casement window, which would have a crank. That type of window is easily operated without having to lift it up above a kitchen sink like that, where one might not be able to reach that, where it's just an ease of use to just crank. Double hungs are meant to be functionally utilized where you're up against the window, so a living room area where there's not a lot of furniture in the way, where you can actually get directly in front of that unit and open it. depending on what you're looking for, we have obviously fixed windows, decorative style windows, where a lot of open style construction homes you're going to see some arch tops in the entryway above the entry door, above those transoms there. You're going to see open living room floor plans where the windows are going all the way up to the ceiling there. And a lot of those won't be operable, so those would be fixed windows, but you can still follow that same type of pattern that you might have put on the lower operable units, whether that be a prairie style grill pattern or a traditional style grill pattern here into those units as well to give consistency throughout the elevations. One of the biggest aspects of why we do what we do here at Pella Windows and Doors is that every unit that we produce here is completely custom. There isn't a facility anywhere in the state or in the country for that matter where there's just a bunch of standard sizes sitting around. For new construction, for replacement jobs, whatever that might be, we produce every unit custom to order. So it's going to fit exactly how it was measured. That customization plays a huge role into making sure it properly fits, making sure it's properly installed, making sure it performs well, and not only that, the last piece of it, but making sure it looks really well too. So if you've ever looked at a new construction house, one that's not complete yet, and you see the home wrap around there, you see the openings in the side, those openings are going to be filled with something. But windows and doors are a critical ingredient to actually completing a home project. And what you put in those openings is extremely important. At Pella Windows and Doors, we make sure that we match design and the proper aesthetic for everyone's tastes. We make sure that we match energy performance up to par with what a homeowner might be looking for. And we make sure that the quality and the warranties, we stand behind that. Earhart chooses us for those reasons. They choose to partner with a manufacturer who critically tests and engineers the products that we actually put into consumers' homes and stands behind them with a limited lifetime warranty.
At Pella, we believe that our customers deserve the very best, which is why we created Pella Lifestyle Series products. They were intentionally designed to outperform expectations and are the #1 performing wood windows and patio doors for the combination of energy, sound, and value. They offer the most desired features and are packed with 37 time-tested innovations, including integrated blinds, shades, and security sensors. So whether your style is more traditional or modern, or somewhere in between, you have the flexibility to choose the right look for your home. Maybe you can't enjoy a room in your home because it gets too hot when the sun beats in, or is too cold in the winter because your windows are drafty. Pella Lifestyle Series offers performance options that are on average 79% more energy efficient than single-pane windows. Maybe you live near an airport, on a busy street, or your neighbors have vocal pets. Focus on what matters inside your home and reduce 52% more sound than single-pane windows with available performance options. Pella Lifestyle Series products are designed to perform in real life and are backed by the best limited lifetime warranty in the industry. Visit Pella.com/lifestyle to learn how windows and doors can make a difference in your home.
Noise of the train tracks, the honking. It's just horrible.
It's too much noise. You can't even hear yourself think. You can't get on the phone. Wherever you're at in the city, it's always something going on.
Noise pollution is a problem.
We test our products every day beyond what our industry requires. Today is our first opportunity to test in a real-world scenario here in Grand Central Station.
Well, at Pella, we take design seriously. So we've got really a very unique design in which we use to both cancel out noise and preserve really high energy efficiency with these products. They are triple pane windows, but we also alter the thickness of the glass panes throughout the construction of the window to deliver a superior noise benefit to the consumer.
Noise pollution causes hearing loss, it causes sleep loss, and it causes headaches. And I think a lot of Americans would prefer a quieter lifestyle and a refuge of a quiet home.
Pretty amazing.
I wish that I had these windows.
I like that. I like that.
My name is Steve. I'm one of 3,300 employees based in Pella, Iowa. When builders visit us, I like seeing them make the connection between what we do here and what they get back home. We've got building windows and doors down to a science, and that know-how shows up in the quality of our products.
My name is Garrett. I'm a quality engineer at Pella. I get to work on a lot of cool stuff. Windows embedded with smart technology, products that can handle what nature throws at it. There's a drive to innovate here that goes all the way back to 1925.
My name is Anna. I'm a Pella sales rep based in Nashville. I've had a couple builders visit Pella, Iowa, and the experience really opened their eyes. What do you see in Pella? You see we've been here more than 90 years in the same headquarters, in the same town. You see where the Pella spirit comes from. A proud Dutch heritage, strong Midwest values, a history of continuous improvement, and a drive to always make things better that dates back to 1925.
I'm Dan, a process engineer at Pella. This video is a chance to see Pella through your own eyes. The people, processes, and products that drive the quality and innovation this brand is known for. The voices you hear are real Pella employees, just like me. We hope you enjoy.
Innovation at Pella comes through teamwork. We take what we're hearing from our customers and then explore how a new product or a product improvement could respond to that need in a whole new way.
You know, innovation is a very dialed-in process here, and nowhere does all that focus show up more obviously than on our manufacturing floor.
Here's where it all happens. The manufacturing plant floor on the main campus. Total, it's about 1.8 million square feet. If you walk the whole thing, that would be 3.5 miles. This is just one of 11 manufacturing sites around the country. The average employee tenure here is 17 years. Myself, this is my 34th year. There's a commitment to health and safety here, an open environment for employee feedback and process improvement, and a care and concern for one another that reinforces to make the best windows and doors in the world. Everybody needs to be on the same page, moving in the same direction.
Hi, I'm Joe Moore. I've been with Pella Corp for 31 years. I help stage an average of 600,000 board feet each week.
Hi, my name's David. I work in the Chomsaw area. I've been with Pella Corp for 23 years, and I am personally responsible for 250,000 chopping decisions each day.
Hi, I'm TC. I worked here at Pella Corporation for 13 years. I treat our wood parts to protect against insects, moisture, decay, and stain.
Hi, my name is Melissa. I've worked at Pella Corp for 12 years, and I am one of 27 team members on this line assembling casing units.
Yeah, I'm proud that I work on the original Pella innovation, roll screen. Of course, technology has changed quite a bit. We've got the process down to a science.
My name is Dale. I've been with Pella Corporation for 15 years, all 15 right here in shipping. Logistics runs 24 hours a day, 5, sometimes 6 days a week.
Hi, I'm Soy. I work with the company for 20 years. I work in the cellular department. We offer 2 different types of shades, a bottom-up and a top-down shade.
I'm Terry. I've worked at Pella Corp for 29 years. I play a critical part in Pella's environmental stewardship. 99% of sawdust is recycled at Pella. That's right, 99%.
From the top down, every person here at Pella knows that in the end, all we have to stand on is what that Pella sticker goes on, our products. That brand means everything. That's why we take product testing to the extremes we do.
Performance is something we never take lightly here. Pella has some of the toughest product testing standards in the marketplace. Testing is performed on every product line, regardless of price point or material. From water and wind testing to extreme heat and cold. Environmental effects like corrosion, to the common effects of prolonged operation, and even shipping. There's a lot of science and data behind Pella quality.
One quality, regardless of the product line or type. I like being able to communicate that to my customers. This is the sweet spot for me, connecting Danny to Pella Solutions. He knows what he wants in his homes. Quality, no callbacks, and no surprises. But to be relevant in today's market, he also has to appeal to a new kind of homeowner. Homeowners who want options, and homes that both reflect and enhance their lifestyles.
We've got a solution for virtually every building need. Wood, vinyl, fiberglass. Whether it's for a home, condominium, or even a commercial building, we can create windows and doors for almost any opening.
That I can back all those window and door solutions with a local sales, service, and support system unlike any of our competitors. One that features a dedicated local customer service team, knowledgeable trained field techs and installers, and value add-ons such as in-house architectural drawing support. There's a lot involved in the value we bring.
Yeah, there is a spirit here, one based on focus and legacy. So many of us literally grew up learning the Pella way of doing things. It's also that we live and work in a town called Pella. A proud Dutch heritage indeed.
Do my customers know there's a Pella, Iowa? Maybe. Do they understand the Pella spirit? Yeah, I think they do. They may not call it that, and that's fine, but when they thank me for being a part of their success, I know they get it.
The legacy and innovation.
The ingenuity and attention to detail.
The quality this brand is known for. All it takes is a connection. People seem to get Pella no matter where they live.
Pella, a town, a renowned brand, an undeniable spirit and way of doing things. We'd be honored to meet you, learn how we can support your business, and work with you so that you too can experience firsthand the Pella difference.